To open the hood in Nissan Sentra, you have to locate this lever on the left of the pedals and pull it towards yourself. Now you can lift the hood up a little bit, insert your hand approximately in the middle, and you will feel this lever right here. You have to turn it to the left and the hood will open. Now you need to locate this metal rod and insert it into this opening. And you'll see the arrow actually by this opening, not to be confused by the other ones. To close the hood, first lift it up slightly, allow this rod to come out, insert it back into this slot, push it in, and slowly start to lower the hood. It will snap like this, and then you have to use both hands to push it down until it snaps.